I find there's probable cause for each of the counts, and they'll bind it over to Superior Court on their not guilty plea. It's gone over to Superior Court with no bond set on any of the charges.
As far as the evidence, this case is a long way to go. We're anticipating there's still going to be some digital evidence, whether that be through cell phones, social media, and everything, that we hope it's going to be favorable to us. So it's going to be probably about a year or two process as everything works its way on out. There's this allegation, allegedly, that my client actually had, this firearm, and that he just, for some reason, just jumps out of this vehicle and just indiscriminately starts shooting for no reason whatsoever, where there had been no history between these individuals, no really connection. And so I was very surprised to actually hear that. I mean, our understanding is completely different. I mean, we're adamantly denying any involvement as it pertains to this particular case. Well, representing kids in general is very difficult. There's often even just this disconnect sometimes when it comes to dealing with kids, because their mind can't fully appreciate. In their mind, they're just saying, well, I didn't do anything, so I'm just gonna go home, right? Not that simple. And so just navigating the educational process of like, no, we got to do bonds. A trial may be a year or two from now, and you're talking about a kid who's 16, so you're thinking a year or two from now, they would have graduated from high school versus I'm just now being able to get the chance to say that I didn't do anything. And so that part's difficult, the psychological, stuff behind it. Then you gotta, for school, like you don't want them to get behind if they're in Erin Cohen or when they turn 17, they normally move them up to Muskogee County Jail. And so now you're getting a little bit of school in Erin Cohen to nothing really here in Muskogee County Jail, so you gotta do that. And then with the family, I mean, they always have family who loves and cares for them. And so it's a lot when you got a 16-year-old child who you can't touch them, you can't really talk to them that much, and then they're charged with a very serious crime. So that's one of my tougher cases is these SB 440 cases.